Hello and welcome! In this video we are going to learn how to run a script from the command line. I am going to show you two different ways to do this. The first method is to type the full path to that script. And then we hit enter. We see that the script is running. The second method is to type the partial path to the script that we are going to run. But to do that, we have to be in the folder where the script lies. Now that we have changed the folder, we can type the partial path. We see that the script is running. In this video, we have learned how to run a script from the command line. Beware that these two methods only works if the path do not contain any spaces. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.